news. The snow squalls for Louisville right now have stopped, but the traffic is such a mess. Mallory, we've been watching this all night long, and these cars and semis, they just aren't moving. They've been nearly parked on these roadways.
Yeah, and it's really across one section of the county, really eastern Jefferson County. You're going to hear us talk about a lot. You already have heard us talk about 71 and the Gene Snyder. Lewis and Clark Bridge, you can't get across the East End Bridge right now. It has been shut down for hours in both directions. The cars that you see in the upper left-hand corner are parked on the bridge. They cannot move. And that's also that screen below it, I-265 near US 42, so near Brownsboro Road. These cars are stopped because, once again, they can't get past the bridge here. 71 at the Gene Snyder has been very slow moving. These are the southbound lanes. It looks like they're trying to let some cars in here. We saw a salt truck earlier, but just expect very slow moving traffic and slick roads, because this was the area of town that got caught under one of those really narrow snow bands that dropped potentially an inch or so of snowfall in a very short period of time. Meanwhile, other areas of town maybe just got flurries. You can see that here on the traffic tracker. Black line means closed. So you're seeing that right over the East End Bridge there. A lot more red around 71 and 265. A lot more green along areas like the Watterson, or even 64, 65, and West Louisville, where we saw much drier conditions. So just keep in mind, if you have to drive overnight or early Thursday morning, slick driving conditions are expected, especially over bridges and overpasses, because those freeze first. So we're expecting slick roads regardless, but when you have bridges and overpasses, that colder air can go on either side of it, and that can cause those slick spots to be even worse. So please take it slow, be cautious if you're out and about driving tonight or early tomorrow morning. Max HG radar, though, as Doug mentioned, we're done with snow for tonight. We could see maybe some additional flurries, but those thin bands of snow moved on out of here. We're on the backside of this system. You can see a lot of lake effect snow off to our north, but that should continue to push off to the southeast there, closer to the Cincinnati metro. We're definitely feeling the chill. Wind chills are in the teens and single digits, and it's going to be a very cold night ahead. Actual low temperatures drop into the teens and lower 20s with colder wind chills. It's going to be bitterly cold as we start off our Thursday. We'll see some sunshine, but we're not looking to warm up thanks to that northwest wind. Highs staying below freezing for many of us. And then tomorrow night, we could have some light additional snowfall that would take us into Friday morning. And on Friday, shaping up to be a bit of a mess. Wintry mix, temperatures rising into the upper 30s and lower 40s, but we could have a rain-snow mix. So because of that, on Friday, we have a weather impact alert. Spotty snow is possible again Saturday as temperatures plummet. Then we're trending drier from there, but very chilly with highs in the 20s through Tuesday. We start to thaw back out the second half of next work week. Doug.